Google Xray search. Xray search, also known as a Boolean search, is a method to locate highly relevant and precise results from websites by combining phrases, keywords, and symbols on the Google search engine. It is possible on other search engines as well. The Xray search is possible on almost every website if the pages on these websites are indexed by search engines. It is why Xray search is possible on platforms like LinkedIn and why an Xray search is not possible on job boards or applicant tracking systems. Let us quickly take a tour of the Boolean search operators. Boolean search operators. And operator. If an is used between two words, the search result should contain both words. And operator narrows the search. Example: a Boolean search string for recruiting iOS developers should include within double quotes developer and iOS. It will produce results that contain both keywords. Or operator. If or is used between two words, the search result can contain either of the two words. Or operator is used to broadening the search. Example: within double quotes outbound sales or within double quotes field sales. This will produce a result with professionals who have experience in either outbound sales or in field sales. Not operator. It is used to exclude the words not relevant to the search results. Minus to be used before the word which needs to be excluded. Example: architect minus jobs. While searching for an applicant who is an architect, we don't require the job postings relating to the architect to appear in the search results. Therefore, to get relevant search results, we need to exclude keywords such as job, jobs, hire, hiring, recruiting, recruitment. The not operator serves to exclude irrelevant words to improve the quality of search results. Parentheses or brackets. It is used to group the keywords and to prioritize the search strings. Example: auditing in open bracket Mumbai or Chennai close bracket. It will produce results with applicants who have experience in auditing and who reside in Mumbai or Chennai. Double quotes. It is used to search for the exact term or phrase. Search should have the words within the quotes. Example: within double quotes program manager. Within double quotes sales consultant. Asterisk asterisk. You can use an asterisk sign asterisk when you're unsure what keywords to enter in your search query. The search engine will automatically match any phrase or word that's relevant. It can be used both as a wildcard character and for proximity searches. Example: listed below are a few variations of how the asterisk feature is implemented when used after a word. Account asterisk. It produces results with the following keywords: accounts, accounting, accountant, etc. When used within a word, C*O, it produces results with CEO, CXO, CTO, CFO, etc. When used before a word, for example, *net, it produces results with keywords like internet, intranet, etc. When used after a word with space, network *, then Google will fetch phrases which include network, like network engineer, network analyst, etc. Tilde sign. Tilde. If tilde is used before a word, the search result can have similar or synonyms of the word. Example: ~sign university. This will also search high schools, higher education institutions, file type. To search for a specific type of file. Example: if you want the result as PDF format files, search as file type :PDF. For document files, the search string should be written as file type :doc. URL. To search for a specific keyword in the URL. It restricts the search to show only if the keyword is present in the URL. Some people may have created online portfolios. To search those profiles, we can use this operator. Example: resume or CV in title. It is used to search for a specific keyword in the title of a page. If in title is used, the result will have all the pages with the specific keyword in the title. Example: in title resume or in title CV or in title within double quotes curriculum vitae in text. To search for a specific word or phrase in the content of a page. Example: in text within double quotes project manager or in text PMP site or URL. It is to narrow the search to a particular site. Example: site linkedin.com. URL linkedin.com. In the same way you can use for other websites like Facebook, Stack Overflow, GitHub, etc. Perfecting the Xray search. They say practice makes it perfect. Xray search is not an exception to the rule. The science is deceptively simple. However, art requires considerable patience, effort, and creativity. Tips to get the best out of Xray search. 1. Use an ideal applicant profile. Creating an ideal applicant profile for an open position gives you insights to recruit the right person. 2. Keep experimenting with your search string. It is challenging to craft the perfect search string. Reasonable approximations are arrived at by trial and error. Use add, modify, or delete operators to adjust the search results. 3. Make a note of your successful search strings. It is a good idea to make a note of high-yielding search strings. It could be handy in the future. 4. Variations in spelling and usage. It is common to see applicants use different spellings. For example, there are times when a customer relationship manager is referred to as a client relationship manager. Usages differ. JS is found as JavaScript in some resumes and JavaScript in others. Keep track of these variances. Use the OR operator to include all known variations within the search constructs. 5. Factor in false positives. False positives need to be factored into every Boolean search to ensure better search results. It is imperative in the scheme of things. Check the results and introduce or remove false positives if required until you get satisfactory results. Illustration of Google Xray search. Let us take a look at a sample JD for a data scientist. Title: Data Scientist. Experience: 5+ years of experience. Location: Chennai or Mumbai. Roles and responsibilities: design, develop, and evaluate predictive ML/AI models. Ability to tailor ML solutions to cater to business problems across the product portfolio, including support, sales, marketing, bots, chat, voice, etc. Strong working knowledge of Python or R. Experience working with large datasets. Background in natural language processing (NLP) is a plus. Strong understanding of ML concepts, probabilistic methods, supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms. Knowledge of deep learning is a plus. Solid understanding of mathematical underpinnings behind machine learning algorithms, i.e. proficiency in probability, statistics, linear algebra, calculus, and optimization. Strong engineering and coding skills. Experience working with big data technologies like Hadoop, Spark, etc. Before we examine the possibilities of the different Google search constructs, we must always remember that Google search limits to 32 words and 128 characters for each search. Crafting a Google Xray search requires a lot of practice, patience, and creativity. It takes time to master. Based on the job description for a data scientist just described, let us take a look at 2 examples to understand how a Google Xray search can be constructed effectively within the constraints imposed by the Google search. 1. How can we search for data scientists on the Internet? The generic search string to find data scientist profiles on the Internet. The search operator, in title and URL, look for the words resume or CV in the title or the URL of a page. Of course, the sourcer is at liberty to use similar words like bio or curriculum vitae or any other word that can help the sourcer refine his or her search. The double quotes are used to search for the exact phrase data scientist. If double quotes are not used, the Google search engine will look for data and scientist, and the result will have either data or scientist. To ensure that false positives are removed, not operators are used to avoid job postings, resume samples, and other templates appearing on the search result. 2. How can we search for data scientists from specific websites like LinkedIn, GitHub, and Stack Overflow? To search for data scientist professionals from the various social media platforms and professional websites, use the site operator and the specific website from which you want to find the profiles. Let us take a tour of how we could search data scientists from LinkedIn, GitHub, and Stack Overflow. This is an indicative list. The sourcer will do well to research other popular sites which contain data scientists and leverage the power of Google Xray search. LinkedIn. site:/in.linkedin.com/pub within double quotes, data scientist. LinkedIn provides unique URLs for every country. in.linkedin.com is a reference to profiles available in India. The search results in listing all data scientists in India who are there on the LinkedIn platform GitHub. site:/github.com within double quotes, data scientist, space within double quotes, contribution activity. The first construct lists the data scientists available on GitHub. The exclusive keyword, contribution activity, gives the list of the members and helps the sourcer land onto the activity page of the prospective applicant. Contribution activity is a great way to see what someone has been up to on GitHub. It is helpful to the sourcer to understand the capabilities of a prospective applicant. This can positively impact the recruitment lifecycle and, therefore, metrics. Stack Overflow. Site stackoverflow.com/users/within double quotes, badge, space within double quotes, data scientist. This construct helps the sourcer land into the data scientist's page with the badges. It helps the sourcer get an idea about the data scientist's accomplishment. Badges are little bits of digital flair that you earn for almost every kind of activity on Stack Overflow. There are gold, silver, and bronze badges. The number and type of badges you've earned are displayed together with your username and reputation score around the site, as part of the applicant's user card.